y'all doing, YouTube? We got one last review to do on these ales. Then I'm gonna start with the lagers. This is Kenona Brewing Company. Big Wave Golden Ale. Kenona Brewing Company, Kenona HI, Portland OR, Woodinville WA, Portsmouth NA. Fresh, responsibly, always aloha. Catch a wave. Year-round, the waves that roll onto Hawaiian beaches are some of the best in the world. Catch the crest of the breaking wave and ride it all the way in. Our sun-drenched Big Wave Golden Ale is smooth, refreshing, brewed, inspired by what makes Hawaii great. 4.4 alcohol by volume, 12 full ounces. 1209-3 October 02 of 13. We invite you to visit our brewery and pubs whenever you visit Hawaii. Mahola. Since 1994, Kenona Brewing Company has been committed to making handcrafted ales and lagers of uncompressed quality. If it was as good as the bottle looks with the liquid aloha and the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 islands on it, we'll be doing good. I'd love to go to Hawaii. Ride around in the helicopter, see all the volcanoes. Might get to one day. Surf the waves. See the hula girls. Let's give it a pour. Big Wave Golden Ale. Got a white head. If I look at it over here, it's a copper color. If I look at it through the computer screen, it's a straw color. Hold it up to the light, it's a copper. I reckon you could call it amber. Let's give it a smell. You can smell the hoppiness to it. Baby, load on me. Let's got some got a little carbonation, got a few bubbles in there. Nice and clear, don't see nothing floating in it. Now let's give it a taste. It's one of the milder, hoppier beers. It ain't the real like the hop head or nothing. I don't like them. They're too hoppy for me, for my taste. A lot of people love them, but this has got mild hoppiness to it. Has just a little bit of a burn at the back. I can tell I ain't no hoppy beer drinker, because I mean, it ain't bad. It don't have no off taste, no off terrible flavors or no. Got a little bit of lacing. It don't. I mean, it ain't terrible by no means, it's. I can drink this beer. I'm gonna sit here and drink it, but I ain't gonna pour it out like I did the other ones. But will I buy it again? No. When I go back to that beer store this time, I'm gonna try all lagers and see how they are. I've been wanting to try Genesis, so I'm gonna get me some Genesis this time too. Get me a 6-pack. So thank you. Have a good night. Cheers.